My favorite type of food is Italian food. So in today's video, I figured we would make meatballs with sauce, and we are going to make it in the Instant Pot. But of course, if you don't have the Instant Pot, you can make the same recipe in the crock pot, you can make it in the oven, whatever works for you. Let's go spice things up.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is pick some parsley from my garden. Okay, this should be good.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is press this button, which is the keep warm button. And this will just make the pot hot already, therefore it won't take as long to build up the pressure. Plus it will kind of start cooking the sauce, and now we can get started on the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 small onion, and I already diced these. This is a half of a bell pepper, and I already diced this as well. And about a cup of mushrooms, and I finely diced this. Now you want to mince about 4 garlic cloves, and then just stir it. Now I'm going to add 1 can of stewed tomatoes, and these are Italian style. A lot of times I like to use the diced, but for this video I'm just going to do the stewed. Doesn't matter either one. And then I took the can and I put some water in, basically fill it halfway, and just pour that in. The reason why is you need water in here to help build up the pressure. And then a can of tomato sauce. And then I'm gonna stir this. And now you'll need 2 bay leaves. Just put them right in the sauce. Seasoned salt. And garlic powder. The key to any Italian recipe, garlic, garlic, garlic. And it wouldn't be complete without Italian seasoning. About that much. And then you can stir it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave the pot on to the keep warm button. This will just make sure the pot is warm ahead of time, therefore it won't take as long for the pressure to build up. And in the meantime, we are going to go ahead and start making our meatballs. Okay, so now we'll want 1 package of ground chicken, and just put it in the bowl. 1 package of maple sausage, and I always use Jimmy Dean. And then 1 package of Ritz crackers, and these I already crumbled, and then just put that in. And then 1 to 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. This is more like 2 cups, because I like a lot. Garlic powder once again. And seasoned salt. And the parsley that we picked from my garden, and I just chopped these up. This is what will give your meatballs a lot of color. And then 2 eggs. Now you could just stir this up with a spoon, but I like to use my hands, make sure all the ingredients really get together. Alright, that's good. It's fully mixed. Okay, so to turn these into little meatballs, all you do is just take a little tiny bit in your hand and start rolling them into a little ball. And just keep continuing to do this until you are done. Okay, we're down to the last 2. And if you can see, they make a decent amount. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. I can smell it already. And now it's time to take the meatballs and just put them right in the sauce. Alright, last one's in. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to press it to the word sealing instead of venting. And I turned the warm button off, and I'm going to do manual. And I'm going to turn it down to 5 minutes. And it's going to come to pressure. There we go, turned on. So it's going to start counting down from 5 minutes. And then I'm going to do a natural pressure release. So I'm going to let it release naturally for at least 10 minutes. So we will come back when it is done. Side note, so when the meatballs are cooking, I'm going to cook up some noodles.
to go along with the sauce and the meatballs. And I'm just gonna use these kind of noodles, but you can use spaghetti or ravioli or linguine, whatever you want. I'm gonna use half this package.
Okay, so it has naturally been releasing for 10 minutes, and now I am going to release the pressure. Okay, so it's taken about another 5 minutes to release the pressure, and now we can go ahead and open it. Alright guys, this looks perfect. Time to plate up. I hope you guys enjoyed making this recipe with me, so it's time to give it a try. A little bit of the meatball, some noodle, a little bit of cheese. This is fantastic. And make sure you guys comment below what your favorite type of food is. And if you have any questions, just comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Bye, and see you in the next video.